Hello and welcome to Tech Vibe. Today we are taking a comprehensive and analytical look at one of the most highly anticipated camera bodies in recent memory, the Nikon Z90. For years, the digital photography industry has heavily prioritized the development of full-frame sensors, leaving many professionals who rely on crop sensor bodies waiting for a true, flagship-level mirrorless upgrade. The Z90 is expected to be the direct spiritual successor to the legendary Nikon D500, a camera that fundamentally defined professional wildlife and sports photography for a generation. In this detailed overview, we will explore the leaked specifications, the underlying technology, and exactly how this upcoming release will impact the current landscape of digital imaging. To fully appreciate the significance of the Nikon Z90, we must first understand the unique advantages of the APS-C or DX format sensor. While full-frame cameras offer incredible low-light performance and shallow depth of field, they also require larger, heavier, and significantly more expensive lenses. A crop sensor, by its very physical nature, applies a 1.5 times magnification factor to any lens attached to it. For a wildlife photographer shooting a bird high in a canopy, or an aviation photographer tracking a fast-moving jet, this crop factor is an invaluable asset. It instantly transforms a standard 500mm lens into a 750mm equivalent, providing massive reach without sacrificing a single stop of light. When Nikon transitioned away from the F-mount DSLR systems and into the mirrorless Z system, they initially focused on entry-level DX cameras. Professional shooters were left waiting, watching competitors release high-end crop sensor bodies. The Z90 is Nikon's definitive answer to this market gap. Built from the ground up to deliver uncompromising speed and precision, the foundational core of the Nikon Z90 is rumored to be a newly developed 33-megapixel Stacked CMOS sensor. The integration of stacked sensor technology is the most crucial element of this entire system. In a traditional camera sensor, light data is read out sequentially, row by row. When you are tracking a very fast subject or panning the camera quickly to follow the action, this sequential readout creates a delay. The result is the rolling shutter effect, where straight lines appear bent and fast-moving objects look distorted. A stacked sensor solves this by integrating high-speed memory directly onto the sensor chip itself. This allows the camera to read and process massive amounts of visual data almost instantaneously. By utilizing a stacked sensor in the Z90, Nikon is effectively eliminating rolling shutter distortion, ensuring that the geometry of your subjects remains perfectly intact, no matter how fast they are moving. Furthermore, the jump to a 33-megapixel resolution provides a highly practical balance. It gives photographers plenty of room to crop into their images during the editing process to get even closer to the action, while keeping the individual pixels large enough to gather plenty of light for clean, noise-free images in challenging environments. A high-performance sensor requires an equally capable processing engine, and the Z90 is expected to feature the APS-C processor. This is the exact same advanced silicon architecture that powers Nikon's $4,000 Z8 and their flagship Z9. By placing the APS-C into a crop sensor body, Nikon is unlocking their most advanced artificial intelligence autofocus algorithms. Modern autofocus systems have evolved far beyond simple contrast or phase detection. The Z90 will utilize deep learning AI that has been specifically trained to recognize and lock onto the eyes, faces, and bodies of various subjects. Whether you are photographing humans, dogs, cats, birds in flight, or fast-moving vehicles like cars and airplanes, the camera will automatically identify the subject and maintain a relentless focus lock. The processor evaluates this focus data 120 times every single second. This processing power also enables incredible continuous shooting speeds. The mechanical shutter is expected to easily achieve 15 frames per second. However, when switching to the electronic shutter, the combination of the APS-C and the stacked sensor will reportedly allow the Z90 to shoot at up to 120 frames per second, complete with full continuous autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. While the Z90 is undeniably a powerhouse for still photography, its video capabilities are equally groundbreaking, especially in light of Nikon's recent acquisition of Red Digital Cinema. The influence of this acquisition is expected to rapidly accelerate Nikon's video technology. According to current supply chain leaks and industry analysis, the Z90 will be a formidable tool for hybrid shooters and independent filmmakers. The camera is projected to offer internal oversampled 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, utilizing the full width of the 33-megapixel sensor to deliver incredibly sharp and detailed footage. Additionally, professionals will benefit from internal 10-bit recording profiles like Nikon's N-Log, which preserves a massive amount of dynamic range for color grading in post-production. There is also strong speculation regarding internal RAW video recording capabilities, which would provide filmmakers with the ultimate flexibility to adjust exposure and white balance long after the shoot is over, to ensure reliability during long recording sessions. The body design will incorporate an advanced passive cooling system, allowing heat to dissipate efficiently and preventing the camera from shutting down due to overheating. Professional performance must be matched by professional durability, and the physical construction of the Z90 is designed for the rigors of real-world field work. Unlike entry-level models that rely heavily on plastic components, the Z90 will be built around a tough, lightweight magnesium alloy chassis. This provides the structural integrity needed to support heavy telephoto lenses. The body will feature extensive weather sealing, utilizing rubber gaskets and tight tolerances to protect the internal electronics from dust, dirt, moisture, and extreme temperatures. Inside the camera, an advanced in-body image stabilization system, or IBIS, will physically move the sensor to counteract hand tremors and vibrations. This system is expected to provide up to 7 or 8 stops of compensation, allowing photographers to shoot sharp images at incredibly slow shutter speeds, and giving videographers the ability to capture smooth, handheld footage without needing a bulky motorized gimbal. The storage and workflow capabilities of the Z90 are also designed to meet professional standards. The camera will feature a dual memory card slot configuration. The primary slot will support high-speed CF Express Type B cards, which are absolutely necessary to clear the camera's buffer quickly when shooting at 120 frames per second, or when recording high bitrate RAW video files. The secondary slot will likely support standard UHS to SD cards, providing a cost-effective option for secondary backup or overflow storage. For composing images, the camera will utilize a high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder. Thanks to the stacked sensor technology, this viewfinder will offer a completely blackout-free experience. When you are firing off a rapid burst of images, the screen will never go dark, ensuring you never lose sight of your subject. The rear of the camera will feature a fully articulating, high-definition touchscreen, making it easy to shoot from difficult low or high angles, or to monitor yourself when recording video. As we look at the broader camera market, the Nikon Z90 is positioned to be a highly disruptive release. It is specifically targeted at the premium APS-C segment, directly challenging cameras like the Fujifilm X-H2 and the Canon EOS R7. Industry experts and market analysts currently estimate the retail price to fall between $1,800 and $2,200 for the camera body. While this represents a significant investment, the value proposition is extraordinary. You are essentially getting the autofocus performance, speed, and processing power of a full-frame flagship camera, housed within a smaller, lighter, and more affordable package that is perfectly optimized for telephoto work. Based on manufacturing timelines and component availability, the official announcement and global release of the Nikon Z90 are anticipated to take place in the middle to late months of 2026. The digital imaging industry is constantly evolving, and the Nikon Z90 represents a significant milestone in mirrorless technology. It validates the continued importance of the crop sensor format for serious professionals and dedicated enthusiasts. By combining a high-resolution stacked sensor, deep learning autofocus, robust video features, and professional build quality, Nikon is preparing to deliver a camera that refuses to compromise. Thank you for tuning into TechVibe for this comprehensive hardware analysis. We will continue to monitor the supply chain and bring you the most accurate technical updates as they become available. Keep creating, and we will catch you in the next analysis.